It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 169. We have equation in implicit form. Then what is the value of derivative of y with respect to x when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0? So we're going to have to do implicit differentiation, right? Let's rewrite this equation. X squared plus 3y cubed is equal to 2xy plus 1. So differentiate this equation with respect to x, right? So derivative of x squared, that's 2x, plus derivative of 3y cubed, that's 9y squared, power rule, right? And times derivative of y itself, that's dy over dx, chain rule, right? Is equal to, we have 2 times xy. So leave 2 outside of the parentheses. And to find the derivative of this, we're going to have to apply the product rule. This is x times y. So derivative of x, 1, y, plus x times the derivative of y, dy over dx. And derivative of 1 is just a 0, right? So plus 0. And we're going to have to find dy over dx when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, right? Here, we can just substitute 1 for x and 0 for y. We don't have to simplify, okay? We don't have to simplify for dy over dx. Just to substitute 1 for x and 0 for y. 0, 1, okay? So if y is a 0, all of this expression is equal to 0, right? So 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2 here, is equal to 2 times here, 0, plus 1 times the dy dx, that's just the dy dx, right? dy over dx. So dy over dx is equal to 2 divided by 2, 1. So the answer is 1.